Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue to learn this wonderful language of Garifuna. Today we're learning more words that start with the prefix GA, starting with
Galuguti. Galuguti.
he has a pet.
Maluguti. Maluguti.
He does not have a pet.
Galugutu. She has a pet. Malugutu. She does not have a pet. Gamadoguti. Gamadoguti.
He is friends with.
Mamadoguti. Mamadoguti.
He is not friends with. Gasensuti. Gasensuti. He has money. Masensuti. Masesuti. He does not have money. Gatati. Gatati. He loves to drink. Matati. Matati. He is not a drinker.
Gatie kiraditi. Gatie kiraditi.
He is thankful.
Matie kiraditi. Matie kiraditi.
He is not thankful.
Genegeti. Genegeti.
He looks like. Genegetu. Genegetu. She looks like. Menegeti. Menegeti. He does not look like. Menegetu. Menegetu. She does not look like.
Gochahati. Gochahati.
He is a good fisherman.
Mochahati. Mochahati.
He is not a good fisherman.
Garoti. Garoti.
He has a child.
Maroti. Maroti.
He does not have any children.
Garemuhaditi. Garemuhaditi.
He can sing.
Maremuhaditi. Maremuhaditi.
He cannot sing.